What do I love about Silvia? Well, there are so many things that I could say about this, but I'll try to keep it short. I think the thing that I love most about her is her soul. And that might sound cheesy to some, but to those who really know her, they know that she cares a lot about people, and that deep down, she really, really wishes that she could save everyone on this planet, have the power to make everyone feel happy and safe, and to also end injustice, because she really hates injustice. Another thing I love about her is her sometimes brutal honesty, even though I wasn't a big fan of it at the start of our relationship, to be honest, but I really started to love that about her now.
Always loving, always caring, always there. There is nothing I wouldn't do for you. You are intelligent, equipped, strong, capable, resilient, and loved. I cherish you, and I am incredibly grateful for you and proud of the man you are continually becoming. I literally have it all in you, and it's the best feeling in the world. Love you.